All right, today I'm going to show you guys how to get from these kind of impressions today to these kinds of impressions today and growing a lot more. All right, that's coming up right now.
Hey guys, remember to subscribe. We got daily vids.
Boom, this is going to be the title right here, right now. This is a video you're watching right now, and I'm going to show you guys how I found this video title to make so that you guys can find it, find me, and get discovered on YouTube in 2020. All right, listen, you get this app, this Chrome extension called Keyword Explorer. No, not Keyword. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is what it's called. A link in the description. Download it right now if you have not already. This is the tutorial for it. This is pretty much all I do with it. But yeah, download it from the link in the description. I'll show you guys. You got to use this tool called Keyword Explorer within the extension. And what you do with it, you just look up a video to make. This is what the first step in making a video, like a searchable video on YouTube. All right, because YouTube is a search engine. You have to make searchable videos to get discovered. If you're just making let's plays for, like, if you're a gamer or something like that, you can't make let's plays. If you're making a let's play on freaking Animal Crossing right now, that new Animal Crossing game, you're not getting discovered because guess what? There's a billion other YouTubers out there already doing that. So the competition is high, very, very high, and the search is very, very high. Like, it's a waste of your time. Like, no one's gonna watch a small YouTuber make let's plays. All right, the thing is, you have to make searchable videos and offer information, offer help, you know what I'm saying, so that people can find you. And you know, and then if you are like cool and likable, then people will subscribe, and then probably, you know, those let's plays will get me more views. But at the beginning, you have to make searchable content, and this is what this Keyword Explorer is for. So you just type in a keyword, and that's how I found this title for this video, how to get discovered on YouTube in 2020. And it is actually very good. This is actually rare. I usually get around, you know, here, the fair, or the, like the kind of, but anything up here in the green, you have to make a video on immediately. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. Search volume is good, you know, and then optimization, I can, if I just title it this, it will be ranked in the search. That is how you get ranked and get discovered on YouTube in 2020. Because look, there's 3 other exact matches in the top shirts. These guys are big YouTubers, all right, that they're just gonna be ranked easier because they're just big YouTubers. I've watched these guys before, so these actually aren't, these probably have the same tips that I'm giving right now, honestly. But yeah, how to get discovered on YouTube. I've watched vidIQ, Roberto, but I've seen all these videos probably except this one or this one, but I've watched a lot of these videos. But yeah, they probably did this exact Keyword Explorer just to make these videos that they're making right here. But yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you get discovered on YouTube. You can use this with any niche at all, whatever you want to. I do it with my gaming videos every single day. I look up a new game. If it's trending enough with these keywords, then I make a video on it, and I just try to have fun with it, and hopefully people watch it. And if they don't, you can't get mad about it, because guess what? There is a lot of other competition on YouTube, and you might not get ranked, or it might not even be that trendy. But you know, because this thing isn't 100% accurate, but guess what? It does help, because I have been getting way more than what I have been getting. All right, and I've uploaded it, and it does take uploading a lot of videos. I've uploaded, I think, 37 videos ever since March 11th, which is about 3 weeks. So you got to make a lot of videos. That's my tip. You got to make searchable videos. Use it using TubeBuddy. Link in the description. Download it right now. Yeah, just make searchable content using TubeBuddy. Clickbait titles and thumbnails, and be consistent. That is what you gotta do. And that's why I'm making this video right now when I'm at 1,400 subscribers, which a lot of people would say is not that big, but you know, a lot of people would say that it's huge because they only have 100 subscribers. I used to have 100 subscribers just like you probably. So anyways, just follow these tips. I'm making this video right now because I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do to get bigger and get to 100 subscribers, 100,000, get to 1 million, because that's what I'm going to do. So hopefully you guys can join me along for the ride. And yeah, remember, I could be anybody. This could be you, could be your next door neighbor. Like, anybody can do this. You just have to be different and make searchable content and just have fun with it, and don't ever be discouraged. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. I love you.